Hello there, this is Clone Brother Reviews, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can make a LEGO Hugh Grant from the movie Love Actually. So without any further ado, let us begin. Firstly, you're going to want a minifigure that has some plain black legs. You are then going to want this Han Solo minifigure for its torso. The head that I used came from this version of Newt Scamander. And finally, the hair comes from this LEGO CMF Brickman minifigure. Doing it correctly should result in a minifigure that looks like this. Feel free to pause here if you need a reference photo for when you are building it. Personally, I am quite happy with the way that this minifigure turned out. I haven't actually seen the movie Love Actually, so I don't know what happens in it. And as you can see, the photos don't show that much in terms of content. If you have any suggestions for what I should make, feel free to leave it in the comments below or reach out to me on my Instagram. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you could give it a like, and if you really enjoyed it, maybe you could subscribe. If you'd like to watch any of my other videos, feel free to click on the links which should be on the end screen now.